What's up guys, Sal here. So unlike Lenovo, which promised far too much and delivered too little, Vivo's next device is actually shaping up to be what the Lenovo Z5 wasn't. The Vivo NEX could become one of the best efforts on the market when it comes to bezel-less designs. After all, not only does the smartphone boast extremely thin side bezels, but these are also continued around the top of the display. This means absolutely no notch. Now, it's still worth pointing out that a small chin is still present, but it's fair to say that it certainly isn't a large one. The phone will have a pop-up camera that pops out every time you use the front camera. It's a funky alternative, and I'm not sure how the mechanism will hold up if the phone is dropped right on that spot, but it's definitely creative and clever. I would much rather have this than a notch. Personally, I use the front camera 3 or 4 times a week, so I don't need it 99% of the time I use the phone. And I'm sure a lot of you do the same, unless you have an obsession of taking selfies. So even though there's a slight risk that the camera may get broken, right now I think it's the perfect solution for OEMs to go fully bezel-less. Also, the phone will feature a fingerprint scanner embedded in the display. Vivo has included the sensor in their other devices and it surely works great. Not as great as the traditional fingerprint sensors, but the technology will surely improve over time. Also, you can clearly see in this video that the phone has a headphone jack, making the Vivo NEX quite possibly the perfect smartphone. There are companies who are shamelessly copying Apple, including Google, in removing the headphone jack and putting notch up top of the display, and there's Vivo who's making statements. That being said, Vivo will release 3 versions of the NEX series on June 12th, and the highest variant is set to cost over $1,000, and I guess that price point will surely turn off a lot of potential buyers. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comments down below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.